Actually, no. Learner autonomy is not a new concept. It was already being talked about in the 20th century. It was, however, seen as a skill relevant only to the gifted or people in leadership positions. So it was regarded as something special and unique. And now in the 21st century, it is actually a skill that everyone needs at every single level. So even though it's not really a new concept, it is a new concept that we need to learn to transform and adapt to the education and society of the 21st century. The reason why autonomy is very important in the classroom nowadays is because learner autonomy is actually a skill that will be demanded from our students in their professional lives. Most companies right now are giving a lot of importance to autonomy, which is considered as soft skills. And soft skills have gained a lot of territory, even over hard skills. And this is why it is very important for educators to make sure that autonomy is always present in their classrooms. Yes, and yes, and yes. Actually, this is a little. This can refers us back to the first question. In the past, autonomy was regarded as the students being left to their own devices, and now autonomy should be a collaborative thing between teachers and students. Teachers should create the necessary environment and give all the necessary support for students to develop their autonomy.